fans, take a look at this one. 1965 Plymouth Valiant Signet. Cool thing about this car is it has a Hemi. Obviously been replaced as far as the motor goes. Now it has a 392 Hemi underneath the hood. This thing, when you turn the key, it comes alive. Very cool hot rod here. That Hemi is paired with a 518 automatic transmission. Also has power steering, front disc brakes. Nice little driver here. This particular car came from the West Coast, and then the owner that has it now got it out of Arizona. So a solid car. You can take a look at the pictures. You want to see the undersides, the interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Look at this nice driver, quality car. Paint on it, a little bit older, and it kind of shows in some different areas, but still has a nice luster to it, but you will see some imperfections in the paint, a little bit of fish eyes, what have you, in the clear. But overall, a nice looking car, very presentable. Again, I call it a driver quality car. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. We'd be happy to discuss the car with you. Maybe you're wondering about transportation to your location. We can sure help arrange that. Financing's available. We also do consider trades, so keep that in mind. See, the car's nice and straight up and down the side of it. Like I said, and it just comes to life when you turn the key in that Hemi. Turns over and fires up. Great sounding car. Riding on aluminum wheels, as you can see. Good rubber. Go ahead and check out this interior. Nice vinyl buckets up front, center console, door cards and everything. Interior all appears to be pretty much stock the way that it would have came. 1965 from Plymouth. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear this thing run. Incredible sounding car. Like I said, it just comes to life with the turn of a key. Nice little rumble to it out of that Hemi. Slip around back so you can hear this. Turn some heads when you pull up. Great sounding car. Again, check out those still pictures if you'd like to see the underside, interior. Check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Once again, the phone number 507-386-1726. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here a second. We'll pop the hood so you can see how tidy this engine bay is with that 392 Hemi underneath the hood. Alright, take a peek at this. There you go. Very nice job getting this Hemi in there. You can check out the front end and the still pictures. I got some underside pictures of it so you can see how they did it. Again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Nice, smooth running engine, great sounding. There you go, 1965 Plymouth Valiant Signet. It's got a Hemi underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, we do consider trades and financing is available.